In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google search animation using Jitter, a fantastic tool for producing engaging and dynamic videos. Before we dive in, make sure you've already signed up for Jitter and logged into your account, as we're going to be using its platform directly. First things first, let's navigate to the Jitter website and head over to the Drafts section. This is where you'll find all your saved projects, making it the perfect starting point for our animation task. If you haven't worked in Jitter before, don't worry. The platform is user-friendly and intuitive for creating animations. Once you're in Drafts, look for the Templates section. Think of templates as your building blocks. They'll help you kickstart your project by providing a foundation to work from. Click on Templates, and you'll be presented with a variety of pre-made animations designed to cater to different needs. For our specific goal today, you'll want to find the animated search bar template. This template is ideal for what we want to create, offering a well-structured starting point with the animation elements already in place. After you've located and clicked on the animated search bar template, you'll want to make it your own. The best way to do this is by duplicating the template. Look for the Duplicate to Edit option, which will create a copy that you can modify without affecting the original. This feature is incredibly handy when experimenting and trying different edits to see what works best for you. Now that you have your own version of the template open, it's time to personalize it. Find the element named icon.svg within your project. This is where we'll make a key change, replacing the default icon with a Google logo. Jitter makes this simple. Just click on icon.svg, then use the Replace Media option to upload your preferred image. If you're unsure where to get a high-quality Google logo, a quick web search for downloadable SVG icons should suffice. The replacement will instantly give your animation that recognizable Google search look. With your new Google-branded search bar ready, the next step is to preview your work. Click on the play button to see your animation in action. Watching it helps ensure everything is functioning as you'd like and allows you to make any last-minute tweaks if necessary. Remember, at any point you can revisit a step or make additional adjustments until you're completely satisfied with the final product. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've created a Google search animation using Jitter. This technique can easily be adapted for other brands or uses, offering a great way to produce dynamic and appealing content for your projects. Thank you for watching and happy animating.